Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Right now I will present you about the instruction of metal. What is metal? Metal is a material that is hard, strong, shiny, and able to conduct heat and electricity. Metal are very important in our daily life. Especially we are used in construction industry. Why metal used in construction industry? Because metal are stronger, durable, and capable of support and heavy load, which make it suitable for buildings, bridges, roof, and other structures. Metals such as iron, steel, aluminium, copper are commonly used in construction industry because they provide strength, the stability, and the long-lasting performance. Today, in modern cities, without using metals in construction industry, there will not be exist of high building and bridges. So, let us continue to historical of metal. The history of metal in construction began during ancient time. In Stone Age, a human built shelter using mud, wood, stone because they had not discovered metal yet. Later, during the Copper Age, people started using copper for simple tools and decoration. However, copper was too soft for heavy construction work. After that, humans created bronze by mixing copper and tin in Bronze Age. Bronze was stronger and more durable, so it was used as construction tools, gate, and decoration in ancient buildings. And during the Iron Age, iron became more popular because it was strong and the resources are easily to find. Iron tools helped humans build a larger and stronger structure. The biggest development happened during the Industrial Revolution when steel production increased rapidly. Steel became widely used in construction because it was extremely strong and durable. Today, metal are still very important in construction. For example, steel. Steel are used in building frames and reinforcement. Other than that, aluminium. Aluminium still used for window and roofing. Other than that, copper. Copper are still used for wiring, for electrical wiring and plumbing systems. Modern building rely on heavily metal because it provides strength, safety, and long-lasting performance. That's all for the history of metal.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Daini Adila. Today I'm going to talk about the types and uses of metals. Metals are very important in our daily life. We use them in construction, transportation, electronics, and even jewelry. There are three main types of metals, which are ferrous metal, non-ferrous metals, and alloys. Let's look at each type one by one. Alright, first we have ferrous metals. Ferrous metals are metals that contain iron. Because of this, they are usually strong and durable, but they can also rust easily when exposed to water and air. Some common examples are steel. Steel is widely used in buildings, bridges, and vehicles because they are very strong. Second, we have cast iron. Cast iron is usually used in pipes, cooking pans, and engine parts because it can handle high heat. Third one, we have wrought iron. Wrought iron often used for gates, fences, and decorative designs because it is easy to shape. In short, ferrous metals are mainly used where strength and durability are needed. Alright, secondly, I'm gonna talk about non-ferrous metals. Things that you need to know about this non-ferrous metal is these metals do not contain iron. because they are usually lighter and resistant to rust. For examples includes aluminum for use in airplanes, drink cans, and window frames because it is lightweight. Second, we have copper. Copper are basically used in electrical wiring, plumbing, because it conducts electricity very, very well. Then we have gold and silver. Gold and silver basically used in jewelry and electronics because they do not corrode and look attractive. Because of these properties, non-ferrous metals are used where corrosion resistant and lightweight are important. Lastly, we have alloys. Alloys are made by mixing two or more metals to improve their properties, such as strength, hardness, or resistance to rust. Some example for alloys is brass. Brass is usually made from copper and zinc, which is used in musical instruments and fittings. Second, we have bronze. Bronze are made from copper and tin, usually used in statues and medals. Then we have stainless steels, which is we all are commonly steel that we use in industry, which is likely in kitchen equipment and medical tools because it does not rust easily. Alloys are very, very useful because they are stronger and more durable than pure metals. Plus, alloys are widely more resistant than pure metals. So, in conclusions, metals can be divided into three, which is ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, and alloy. Each type has different properties and uses depending on its strength, weight, and resistance to corrosion. Understanding these types helps us choose the right metal for the right purpose in our life to make something more better. I guess that's all from me. Thank you.
There are few key applications of metal, for example, aerospace and defense, automotive and transportation, medical device and implants, construction and infrastructure, and energy and power generation. But the most common application metal use is construction and infrastructure. In the construction industry, metals provide the framework for building, bridge, and other infrastructure. Steel is the most commonly used metal across industries due to its versatility, availability, and cost effectiveness. It is high strength, durability, and recyclability, make it indispensable in construction. Steel's ability to be alloyed with other elements like chromium and carbon further enhance its widespread utility. In conclusion, the classification of metals highlight their diversity in properties, structures, and application, showing how ferrous and non-ferrous metals and reactive versus noble metals each serve distinct roles in industry and daily life. These properties determine metal performance in various applications across industries. Metals are fundamental to modern infrastructure, from construction materials to electronic components, such as transportation industry, energy sector, and medical technology. Understanding metals is essential for selecting the right material for any engineering or industrial application. It is for prevent structural failure, to ensure reliability in demanding environments and reduce waste. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.